Alright, here we go. Great bear. Not front row, but close enough. Front row is too long. Way too long. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Dad, you ready for this?
All clear, dispatch.
Look out, big best time. First time, this is our 6 B&M invert. Let's see how this is. Like I said, I couldn't hit the front row because it's too long. Like, I'm not waiting. But this ride has the longest wait for some reason. I don't know why. Look at Skyrush.
Still on?
Not really. I mean, there's people there, but it's not really a line. Here we go. Whoa! Oh my God! It's intense. That was pretty good. That was intense. I'm not gonna lie. Huh? It was short, but it was definitely good. It was pretty intense. Yes, that's overhyped. Definitely overhyped, but it was good.